And trust me guys, I saw a couple of videos on YouTube on people's experience of best of usedbooks.com, and they shared that if you choose books from almost new, then you might get pirated books, but this time it is not pirated. Okay, so hey, hi there, I'm back again with another book unboxing video, and it is going to be a mini book haul. And this time I ordered books from Amazon and bestofusedbooks.com. These 3 parcels are from Amazon, and Amazon is my all-time favorite, but not their packaging. This packaging is torn, you know, and I got really disappointed. This is the first parcel that I'm going to unpack. Alright, so let me use cutter. Okay, so by the way, this Amazon parcel is perfectly, packed, like you can see, like it's totally very tight and solid packaging. Okay, so I have no complaint about it. So let's see. And the book I have ordered, this is a very special book for me. It is because the book I have ordered is a self-help one. Okay, and it's a hardcover, by the way. And this time I haven't received any bookmark, and the quality of the book is all right. So let me show you with the bill. Okay, so Get Better at Getting Better by Chandramouli Venkatesan. Okay, and from the best-selling author of Catalyst, one of the best-selling books. I have seen that book for a long time. So this is the book, Get Better and Getting Better, and this book is published by Penguin Portfolio. Okay, Penguin. So it's a hardcover, and this book contains 230 pages. Okay, and I paid rupees 167, so I got lucky. I got a great deal, and the quality is amazing. Okay, the quality is amazing. This is how the jacket looks. All right, and this is how the hardcover looks here. All right, you can see, and the quality of the pages is amazing. So I'm so happy. Okay, so let's move on to the next Amazon parcel, and here it is. Okay, very tiny, but let's see. I know what this book is, but you don't know. So let's find out. Let's open it. Let's cut it out. So here is the book, and this time I've got no bookmark. Yeah, I have no complaint about the book, and here it is. Prakash Iyer, the author's name, and the book is The Habit of Winning: Stories to Inspire, Motivate and Unleash the Winner Within. Okay, forwarded by R. Gopal Krishnan. I don't know this guy, and I can read a comment from the cricket expert Harsha Bhogle. After being long imprisoned by an outstanding manager, an excellent writer breaks through. So the actual price of this book is $2.99, but I had to pay $2.25. The quality of the book is amazing. This book contains 245 pages. Okay, so the parcel number 3, and I don't have to work hard to tear the parcel because it's already been torn. I don't know who did it, but I think it's just an accident happened. So the first book is this. It's a bill, and the second one is this. There are 3 books in it, and the third one is very cute. Ooh, animal farm. Actually, I have ordered this book for somebody. Okay, so I've got a bookmark. This time I'm lucky. This is a hardcover. The picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde, and I ordered this book for somebody. Actually, one of my students asked me to order this book, so I did that. And let me open it. Let me tear this, remove this thin paper. Okay. Yeah, the quality is amazing. I've got a fingerprint hardcover, 1984. I bought that book October last year, and I know how it looks, so it looks like that. You know, the cover is this, the picture of Dorian Gray, and it looks like this. So like it, I can feel it, like it's amazing, you know, it's amazing. It's great. And this book is written by Oscar Wilde, and I have heard about this book, you know, it's like one of the greatest classics ever. Okay, leave the world, live the wonderful life that is in you, let nothing be lost upon you, be always searching for new sensations, be afraid of nothing. This book contains 140 pages, and it I had to pay for this book rupees. Okay, it's a long bill. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, I had to pay $2.59. And now let's move on to another book, to The Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf. Okay, and this is how this book looks, and yeah, it is one of those classics that people talk about a lot, you know. So this book contains 220 pages, and but the actual the actual price is given here in dollar, but I had to pay 99. Okay, and a sort of transaction went on between them in which she was on one side and life was on another, and she was always trying to get the better of it as it was of her. So that's all about this blurb, and I have heard a lot about this book. Okay, To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf. That's it. All right, so a very tiny book, you know, very small book, Animal Farm by George Orwell, and this book cost me rupees 49, only 49 on Amazon, and you can carry it in your pocket. Okay, just you can carry it in your pocket. It's better carrying this book than your phone. Yeah, like I do think so. That's my opinion. So if you want to read one of the greatest classics, just carry this book in your pocket. Okay, and it's a pocket classic. Also, it is written here, pocket classic, you know. So I didn't know that this book is going to be this tiny, but yeah, it is like that. But it's an amazing book. Okay, so and I have also read this book, George Orwell. This is for somebody else, and I've got this bookmark. I don't like Amazon's bookmark. It's like long, you know, monument. I really don't like this. I love Flipkart's bookmark. You know, they're cute. Anyway, this book cost me rupees, long bill. So this one cost me rupees 243, this one 99, and this one 45. Okay, pocket classic. Okay, so finally I'm going to unpack these two parcels from bestofusedbooks.com, and I'm so excited because this is going to be the first time when I'm going to unpack books from bestofusedbooks.com. And the packaging is amazing, no doubt about it. Okay, and I've got bookmarks. Wow. Okay, I don't need this, but I need this bill, so I'll tell you how much I paid. And The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. Set your goals high, then exceed them. Over 4 million copies in print. And this is how this book looks, and the pages are yellowish. It looks this because the category is good. Okay, and it cost me rupees how much? It cost me rupees 150, and if you shop this book from Amazon or Flipkart, you have to pay 300 something. The Subtle Art of Not Giving F by Mark Manson And trust me guys, I saw a couple of videos on YouTube on people's experience of best of usedbooks.com, and they shared that if you choose books from almost new, then you might get pirated books, but this time it is not pirated. Okay, so here it is, and this edition was published in, let me see the year, in 2016. Okay, this edition was published in 2016, and this book cost me rupees 199. And this book is not pirated, it is an original copy, and I am so happy. I have bought 2 copies of this book, okay, the same book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F, and this book is very, very important. You should read this book every day. I have read this book. I didn't upload a book review because I don't consider uploading book reviews like I do feel that you can't summarize a world-class book in just 10 minutes. So I think I should be talking about the best books for an hour at least. These bookmarks look pretty, like they look pretty. They're not like long monument. Okay, so, and this edition was published, and this book is published by Pocket Books. Okay, and this edition was published in 1995. 2 years after I was born. Oh my god, so it's too old book. But yeah, it is not pirated. I hate pirated books. Used book is alright, but I hate pirated books. Another copy of The Subtle Art, okay, and another bookmark, okay, and this time it is another original copy, okay, and I'm so happy, okay, with another bookmark and this. So I have, guys, I'm so happy shopping from bestofused.books.com, okay, and I request you, I urge you to shop books from bestofused.books.com. You will get great offers on their website. Okay, so I have bought these 3 books, 1 copy, same book of 2 copies, okay, and these 3 books from bestofused.books.com, and these 5 books from Amazon. So if you like my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care.